Hey guys, today, let's learn how to recover our Gmail account without phone number and email. So if you guys are wondering how to recover your Gmail account, if in the case that you forgot its password, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So once we're already here, I want you to go ahead and try to access your Google accounts. I'm gonna go ahead and try to add another account real quick. And let's choose Google. And from here, let's tap on Continue. And let's go ahead and tap on Forgot Email or Forgot Account. Now from here, it could actually proceed with finding your email using your phone number or recovery email. But what happens if you want to go ahead and recover your Gmail account without your phone number? And also if in the cases you don't have your recovery phone number or recovery email. So in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and try to find for other ways that we can actually do in order for us to gain back access to our email. So from here, it could actually proceed with using a secondary device. Or if you have a trusted device that is linked to your Google account, you could actually proceed with accepting that using that device. And you could easily go ahead and recover your account once more. That is another way in order for us to gain and recover our Gmail accounts. If in the case we don't have a phone number or an email, but if you have this third option also unavailable for you, or then we're gonna be the bearer of bad news in this video, guys. But there's actually no way for us already to recover our email accounts and Gmail accounts if that third option isn't available for you. Now, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and take care.